Hey there! Thanks for clicking on this video. If you've been feeling stuck, putting things off, or overwhelmed by hard tasks, this episode is made for you. Today, we're diving into a powerful idea: why successful people always do the hard things first, and how you can start doing the same to break through, grow stronger, and go further every single day. No fluff, no preaching, just real stories, real lessons, and real steps you can take, starting now. So take a breath, sit back, and get ready for a conversation, not with me, but with the stronger version of yourself. Why successful people always do the hard things first. Each morning, when the sun just rises, you have two choices: do the easy tasks first to warm up, or dive into the hardest task you know brings the greatest value. Successful people choose the latter. They understand that a tough start sets you apart from the crowd. I once heard the story of a woman named Lynn. She had a stable office job, but every evening she spent 2 hours learning design skills. It was hard, unfamiliar software, no portfolio, lots of doubt. Yet after a year, she quit her stable job to freelance and doubled her income, living freely following her passion. She said, "If I waited until I knew it all, felt confident, had spare time, I probably would never begin." You too can choose. Start with the hard thing. Start today. The human brain loves comfort. When faced with something hard, it shouts, "Wait, do it tomorrow, no rush." If you listen, you'll procrastinate forever. Successful people know this, and they fight back. They force their brain into discomfort early. For example, they schedule critical tasks in the morning, when mind is calm, before emails and notifications flood in. They challenge themselves to do the hardest task before anyone's awake. Over time, the brain adapts. What was hard becomes the new baseline. Example: a programmer named Min says he spends the first 90 minutes every morning solving tough algorithms before opening email. In those moments, laziness hasn't settled in. The result? On days he skips, he feels incomplete. Here's a little-known secret: easy tasks are crowded. Hard tasks are avoided. When you choose the hard one, you walk a path few tread and gain more space to stand out. Successful people don't chase popularity. They see what others avoid: deep work, customer care, going granular, and they do it with rigor. They know the biggest rewards often await those who dare the tough. Example: in content creation, many chase trends, easy to watch, but the successful create deep, original content, research, nuanced analysis, real examples. They don't chase virality, they build loyal audiences. They pursue longevity. When you choose to face a hard issue, you don't just complete a task, you learn. You learn patience, pressure management, how to fail and rise. Only the hard moments teach skills that easy tasks never will. In failures, when you take feedback, fix, retry, you accumulate valuable experience. Successful people treat each failure as a brick to build resilience. They don't fear error, they fear not learning. Example: a startup founder shared that their first product had bugs for a month. Customers complained, orders fell. But instead of quitting, they collected feedback, updated, relaunched, and version 3 became a bestseller. That early difficulty built their strength. Successful people don't do the hard work just today and quit. They make it a habit. They commit to difficulty, bit by bit, daily, with repetition. When challenges arise, they no longer flinch. They don't wait for inspiration. They act so inspiration arrives. They don't wait for favorable days. They craft their own. Consistency turns the hard into the norm. Example: a fitness coach starts with 10 push-ups every morning, then 15, then 20, then harder routines. After 1 year, dramatic fitness, high stamina. Hard tasks, small to bigger, become indispensable habits. If you've listened this far and felt your heart stir, drop a comment. I choose the hard things first, so I know you're walking with me. Hit like if this video fueled your motivation. Share it with a hesitant friend, so they dare to begin too. And if you want to keep exploring real mindset, strategies of success, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss the next video.